Hello everyone and welcome back to 5th grade math module 2. My name is Mr. Kissinger. I'm a teacher at the Syracuse Academy of Science and Citizenship in Syracuse, New York. And this is the video for module 2, lesson 3. So if you look here, our objective for the day is we're going to write and interpret numerical expressions and compare expressions using a visual model. Visual model meaning we're going to draw pictures to express those numerical expressions. So let's start right here on letter A. This is the sum of 8 and 7 doubled. This is draw a model, then write the numerical expressions. So the first thing we'll do is draw a model. You can draw a model a number of different ways, but the way that what I'm going to use is called a tape diagram. So it looks like a little piece of tape. We're going to use a little rectangle. And this little rectangle here, that is going to be 8 plus 7, the sum of 8 and 7. And then because we need to double it, we're going to draw 2 of those. So there's our diagram. That should show us 8 plus 7 doubled. So each one of these is 8 times 7. Or 8 plus 7, excuse me. And then our numerical expression. So how could we write that as an expression? We do 8 plus 7 times 2. So first we'll solve 8 plus 7, which is 15, times 2. 15 times 2 is 30. All right, let's try one more over here on letter B. This one says 4 times the sum of 14 and 26. So again, we're going to draw 14 plus 26 as a little rectangle here. We're doing plus here. And then we're not doubling this time. We need to do 4 times the sum of 14 and 26. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this little box here is 14 plus 26. We have 4 of them there. So we'll do it the other way this time. 4 times 14 plus 26. And then we're going to first add 14 plus 26. We get 40 times 4. 40 times 4, we can drop our 0. Do 4 times 4, which gives us 16. Then we add our 0 back on, and we get 160. All right, so now on this part, we have, they give us the expression. We need to express that in words, and then we need to give the value or the solution to that expression. So the words, we're going to start at the beginning. We'll have 12 times 5 plus 25, or we can say 12 times, and another word for plus, the sum of. 5 and 25. So how will we solve this? Well, first we're going to add together 5 plus 25, which will give us 30. 30 times 12. Let's drop our 0 for now. We'll pick it back up later. 12 times 3 is 36. Make sure we remember to add our 0 back on that we dropped. And it gives us 360. And then down here, this one says compare the two expressions using greater than, less than, or equal to. In the space beneath each pair of expressions, explain how you can compare without calculating. Draw a model if it helps you. So we're going to try to do this without calculating. So let's look at our two expressions. We have 24 times 20 plus 5, or the sum of 20 and 5. And over here we have 20 plus 5 times 12. So let's look at our 20 plus 5. And we'll use a little tape diagram again. So we're going to draw a rectangle. And this is 20 plus 5. And we're going to have 2, 3, we're going to have 24 of those. Over here, we also have 20 plus 5. 2, 3, 4, but we only have 12 of those. So which one's greater? 24 rectangles of 20 plus 5 or 12 rectangles of 20 plus 5? Right, 24, because 24 is greater than 12. And our rectangles should be the same. They both equal 25, or 20 plus 5. All right, let's try one more. So 19 times 9, and on the right over here we have 3 19s tripled. So let's look at 19 times 9. So we have 19, our box right here, and we have 9 of those. All right. So then we have 3 19s tripled. Otherwise, in other words, we'll have 19 times 3 times 3. So let's make another box for 19 here. Excuse me, my artwork isn't the best. So we have 3 19s. And then we need to triple it. So we'll have all right, so how many 19s do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on the left. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on the right. So we have 9 19s and we have 9 19s. These are equal. Just two different ways of saying the same number. All right, so that'll be all for our lesson 3 in module 2. You guys have an awesome rest of your day, and we look forward to seeing you the next time.